So what could go wrong with my purchase of a tax certificate versus what the pundits are saying? Right now, there's a proliferation on YouTube about guys trying to sell you on the idea of buying tax certificates. Now, I know nothing about tax certificates in any other state. There might be some value to those. But as far as tax certificates in Florida, there's no value. There's no value. You can earn big returns up to 18%, my eye. The only way you would earn 18% is if no bidders showed up, because the competition in Florida will not allow you to earn 18%. You're going to have to be satisfied with 5. 5% is all you're going to earn on tax certificates in Florida. I know what they all say, but they all don't go to the sale. The banks and the big financial institutions, they dominate the sale because they're happy with a 5% return on someone else's money. That's what it is, 5% on someone else's money. So if I didn't put nothing up, I'm cool, I'll take the money.